Alright, this is day 3. Reset action. Not motivation, not pressure, just movement. Take a breath in steady and forced and let it out. Feel the weight of your body again, where you're sitting, where you're supported. You don't need energy right now, you just need presence. If today has already been busy, that's okay. If you feel behind, that's okay too. Let your shoulders drop. Let your hands relax. Discipline doesn't begin with force, it begins with showing up. Another breath in and out. I am noticing how action feels different from pressure. I'm allowing effort to be calm. I am letting movement replace overthinking. You don't need to rush to be effective. You don't need to feel motivated to begin. I take daily actions that increase my income. I focus on what I can do today. I release the need to do everything at once. You are allowed to build momentum slowly. You are allowed to start small and repeat. I am focused and productive. I am giving my attention to one thing at a time. I am choosing progress over distraction. You don't need perfect conditions to work, you just need to stay present. I am noticing how clarity grows when I begin. I am breathing through resistance. Instead of stopping, I am staying with the task a little longer. You are allowed to feel resistance and continue anyway. You are allowed to long to repetition. I follow through on what I start. I finish more than I abandon. I trust myself to complete simple tasks. You are allowed to rely on yourself. You are allowed to feel proud of follow through. I am building consistency without drama. I am letting routine support me. I am choosing steady effort over bursts. You don't need intensity to succeed. You need rhythm. I am noticing how effort feels grounding. I am letting action quiet my doubts. I am staying engaged even when results are quiet. You are allowed to work without immediate reward. You are allowed to trust the process of effort. Success responds to my effort. My actions matter, even when unseen. My work adds up over time. You are not wasting your energy. You are building something real. I am showing up again today. I am honoring my commitment to move forward. I am becoming someone that follows through naturally. You are allowed to change till action. You are allowed to become consistent, step by step. Take a breath. Notice how your body feels now. Maybe calmer, maybe steadier. This is discipline, not forced presence, plus repetition. Later today, when you take action, let it be simple. Let it be enough. I am capable of steady effort. I am capable of consistent action. I am capable of building progress daily. You are ready to continue. You are already in motion. Day 3 is complete.